Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to start your petting journey on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to start your petting journey on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Widgetable app on your device. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you must simply install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Widgetable app, and this is the home page of Widgetable, where you'll see various options like Explore, Friends and more at the very bottom taskbar, alongside Shop, Pro, Pet and Garden at the very upper taskbar. Now to start your petting journey, you may click on the option of Pet at the very top, and here you'll see the Start Your Pet Journey option. So click on the option of Start Hatching, and your pet egg is hatching, so there is a specific time left, so there is 24 hours left on mine. Or you may also click on the option of Get the Pay Now, and it is a pro version, so you need to pay a certain price for it. Or after that you need to simply wait for 23 or 24 hours, and after that a new pet will arrive on your device or app, and you will be able to start your hatching journey like this. So that's it. That's how you can start your hatching journey on the Widgetable app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.